guys, we're out here in the pouring rain. See how good of some clips. Might just do some jumping around. Here you go around. The video out. I just made a video for right now, and oh yeah, guys, we was up here making a video one time, and I came down that, and I like a lot of hay out, but I didn't post that video, guys. I'm sorry. We're gonna get you on the chest mount, and we'll catch you in a minute, guys.
And I had control on the driver's seat, but my hands are slipping off the wheel. Now the tables have turned.
There's a huge hole right here.
Right. Guys, we should go in it, shouldn't we? Might turn into the Power Rangers. That movie that we watched, they went to
It's on chest mount, but we're about to go to the house to get the guys. Are you good? You're good. You're good. Peace out.
Tables have turned. Tables have turned. Tables have turned. Tables have turned.
Yeah, it goes down there and then to the away from me. Not even walking distance. We walked to each other. Maybe hit that and jump up there.
You gotta
I expected it to be. I'm sorry.
Nope. Trying to do it.
Anyways, guys, so I guess we're just going to end off here.